Are recreating this gorgeous look here on Vanessa, done by Alan Face. Let's do it. I should have said recreate the makeup, because let me tell you, I'm not that good at hair. Okay, now let's go. First things first, we gotta grab a matte blue eyeshadow, and we're gonna lay down our shape. We're gonna press it here on the outer part, go into the crease, and start to extend it this way. I picked up some more of it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and press it towards the inner part of the eye. I'm gonna grab a powder foundation in my exact shade to transition the blue. We'll start on the brow bone and just start to press it and transition it through here. This look can be very intimidating, but it's all gonna come together in the cleanup process. I'm gonna show you that too. We have the Danessa Myricks Infinite Chrome Flakes. This is the shade Lightning Bolt that Alan used. So we're going to coat the lid here. As it dries, just give it a couple taps. It'll start to really look like flakes. Here's the glitter that he used as well, Iridescent Sage from MAC. Before the Chrome Flakes set, we can use that as a base and just kind of tap that all over. Mario Master Metallics palette, build up a little more of the gold towards the inner part here. Grabbing a gel liner and an E26. Most of the definition is towards the front. We're going to bring it over this way, but we're still going to smudge it with another brush. Taking some black eyeshadow on an E27, and we're just going to smudge the outer part. Micellar water and the C30. We're going to clean up underneath here just a little bit. We're going to connect this to this later, so don't take it any higher than that. Applying the same style lashes. These are Tati lashes in Cali Vibe. So I just applied foundation. You'll see I have extra foundation here on my nose. I'm going to take that and I'm going to start to kind of work this around the very top of the eyeshadow. That's going to clean everything up, and it's also going to further blend the eyeshadow. I'm even going to start to diffuse this edge under here. I'll even take that foundation, tap it into the very edge of the eyeshadow, and it'll start to kind of turn it into a cream eyeshadow. From there, I'll start to kind of pull it this way and just make everything a little bit more dramatic. I added a little bit of peach corrector. Blues and purples and blacks, they tend to pull darkness out from under the eye, so I like a little bit of peach corrector to counteract that. I'll apply my concealer on top. I'm going to use this Danessa Myricks Contour Balm before I set with any powder. Apply it through here, forehead, and underneath here. Look how beautifully this melts in. Grabbing this shade with an E27, and we're going to press this underneath here and connect it. Looks like she has on a little bit of brown on her waterline. In the picture, it looks a little iridescent under here, so I'm adding the shade Strobe Light just to the center. This shade for our inner corner. Using Mellow Mauve, the same blush he used. And we're going to start right behind the apple of the cheek and go up towards the ear. And we're going to use this NYX gloss in the shade Sugar High. And this is the finished look. Let me know what look I should recreate next.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. I would. I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. I would. I would. We talk on voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.